coordinates of the points that divides the line segment joining the points. At first what you do is make the two line segment, bend the line segment this way, P 5 comma minus 2, Q it is 9 comma 6. Internally in the 3:1 ratio. Find the coordinates of the points that divides the line. Let the points be x comma y. Divides internally, that is 3:1. So here we can find out s of x equals to, this is 3 into 9, that is 27, plus 1 in, when we are finding the value of x, so 3 is multiplied with this x and 1 is multiplied with this x, plus 1 into 5 is 5, divided by 3 plus 1, that is 4. So 27 plus 5 is 32 by 4, 8. And s of y equals to, when we are finding out y, so 3 into 6, that is 18, plus 1 into minus 2, that is of minus 2, divided by 3 plus 1, that is 4, which is equals to 16 by 4, which is equals to 4. Therefore the s points is s of xy equals to, we have 8 comma 4. One more question, that is P and Q are the points on the line segments joining the points A and B. चलो पहले ले लेते हैं, यहाँ पर एक A पॉइंट लेते हैं जहाँ जो लिखा हुआ 3 minus 1 और एक B पॉइंट है minus 6 5, such that AP P एक पॉइंट है यहाँ पर और Q एक पॉइंट है, such that AP equals to PQ equals to QB. That means what? 1:1:1 रेशियो है. तो P यहाँ पर XY पॉइंट निकालना है और Q का भी XY पॉइंट निकालना है. जब हम P पॉइंट निकालेंगे तब सोच लेंगे कि ये नहीं है, तब ये 1:2 रेशियो बन जाता है. अब 1:2 रेशियो जब निकालेंगे तो P का X बनता है 1 into minus 6 is minus 6, 2 into 3 is 6, by 1 plus 2 is 3, which is equals to 0. P of y equals to 1 into 5 is 5 and 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 by 3, because which is equals to 1. So the point P point becomes 0, 1. Did you understand? Now when we find out the point Q, then we must forget this, then this becomes 2:1 ratio. So to find Q, so when we are finding out the point Q, then we must forget the point P, then it becomes 2 is, from here to here it is 2 and here it is a 1. So 2:1. So Q of X equals to 2 into minus 6 is minus 12, plus 1 into 3 is 3 by 3, which is equals to minus 9 by 3, which is equals to minus 3. And Q of Y coordinate, if you want to find out, 2 into 5 is 10, 1 into minus 1 by 3 equals to 9 by 3 equals to 3. So we find Q point as X is minus 3 and Y is 3. The center of circle is alpha plus 2, alpha minus 5. So let this be a circle. This is the center C having alpha plus 2, alpha minus 5. Find the value of alpha. You have to find out the value of alpha. The circle passes through 2 minus 2. Let it be the point P, 2 minus 2, and another point Q, that is 8 minus 2. We have to find out the value of alpha here. So to find out the value of alpha, if you join this, then we can get, this is a radius. So first we will try to find out the radius, that means CP. So first we will try to find out CP equals to root over alpha plus 2 minus 2, that is alpha square, plus here it is alpha minus 5 of minus 2, that is alpha minus 3, whole square. Now also from here, this is also the same radius, so we can find out CQ from here. So from here CQ equals to root over, this is alpha plus 2 minus 8, that is alpha minus 6 whole square, plus here it is alpha minus 5 and here it is minus 2. So minus 5 plus 2, that is alpha plus 3, alpha minus 3 whole square. Since these two are the radius, so they are equal, so we can equate this and we can write here root over alpha square plus alpha minus 3 whole square equals to root over alpha minus 6 whole square plus alpha minus 3 whole square. Taking out the square roots, we have alpha square plus alpha minus 3 whole square equals to alpha minus 6 whole square plus alpha minus 3 whole square. We can cut out this here, then we can find that alpha square equals to this alpha square plus 36 minus 12 alpha. This gets cancelled off, we get 12 alpha equals to 36, implies alpha equals to 3. The midpoint of the line segment joining, so this is the line segment and joining the midpoint is this. Since this is the midpoint, so it becomes 1:1 ratio. So we have to find out the value of P and Q. So from here we can find out Rx, that is equals, here it is 3. 3 must be equals to 1 into Q, that is Q, plus 1 into 2, that is 2, by 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2 3 is 6, minus 2 equals to Q, that is 4 equals to Q. So the value of Q is 4. Then R, here Y is 5. Now 1 into 4 is 4, plus 1 into P is P, divided by 1 plus 1 is 2, which gives 10 minus 4 equals to P, therefore 6 equals to P. So the values of P and Q are given over here. So the ends of the diameter of a circle have the coordinates are 3, 0, 3, 0 and minus 5, 7. So this let it be the center of the circle, and PQ is another diameter. Let us draw the PQ here. We don't know the value of PQ, so the Q coordinates we know. Since first we will try to find out the center, as this is passing through the center, so this is 1:1 ratio. So first we will try to find out the center point CX. Here center point CX is 1 into 3 is 3, then 1 into minus 5 is minus 5 by 2 equals to minus 2 by 2 equals to minus 1. So here it is CX is minus 1. Next we will try to find out CY, that is 1 into 0 is 0 plus 1 into 6 is 6 by 2 equals to 3. So the center point we have minus 1 comma 3. Now to find out the point P, here X, we know that minus 1 is equals to 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 plus 1 into X is X by 1 plus 1 is 2. From here we get minus 2 plus 1, that is minus 1. X equals to minus 1. So here it is minus 1. Next 3 equals to 1 into y is y plus 1 into minus 2 is minus 2 by 2. 3 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. So y equals to 8. We can write here y equals to 8. So we have the points P, minus 1 and 8. Now we try to find out the radius. That is, this becomes the radius. So here it is minus 1, radius equals to root over minus 1 of minus 1, it is equal to 0 square plus 8 minus 3, that is 5 square. In what ratio does the point minus 4 comma 6, let this be point R, minus 4 comma 6 divides the line segments? Let it be L is to M ratio. Then we have to find out the L is to M ratio. From here we get here minus 4 equals to minus 6L minus 6M plus 3L by L plus M. This becomes minus 4L minus 4M equals to minus 6M plus 3L. Bring out here minus 7L equals to, bring out here minus 2M. Gets cancelled. L by M equals to 2 by 7. The ratio is 2 is to 7. In what ratio is the line joining the points 4, 2? We are writing A as a 4, 2 and 3 minus 5 as B divided by x-axis. Let it be x-axis. Then on x-axis the point y is 0. So we can write here, let it be B point A, 0. And let the ratio be L is to M. Then from here we can get 0 equals to, taking y ordinate, 0 equals to minus 5L plus 2M by L plus M. That means here, from here we can get 2M equals to 5L or 2 by 5 equals to L by M. So the ratio is 2 is to 5. So this is 2 and this is 5. Now we have to find out the ordinate A. So here we can write down A can be written as 2 3s are 6 and 5 4s are 20. 2 3s are 6, 5 4s are 20 by 5 plus 2 7. So our answer becomes 26 by 7. So ordinates is 26 by 7 comma 0. Here from this question, this is 2 is to 3 ratio. We have to find out the point A. A lies on the x-axis, so we can take it as A comma 0, where y is here 0, and here B lies on the y-axis. It becomes 0 comma B. Now we have to find out this too. So at first let us go with this point. 3 equals to 3 into A, 3A plus 2 into 0 is 0 by 2 plus 3 is 5, which gives here 5 3s are 15 by 3 equals to A. That is A equals to 5. So we can write here 5 comma 0. Now for B we can write down here 1 equals to 3 into 0 is 0 plus 2 into B is 2B by here 3 plus 2 is 5. That is 5 by 2 is equals to B. So we can write it here 0 comma 5 by